Woo! What up, what up? Back outside, 12 o'clock. Welcome to the show. I'm quite stoked my last video's got some traction. So if you like this stuff, subscribe, ring the bell and stay tuned. I upload here daily. And this video is about cabin built, birds, making a new toilet and probably burgers. Woo! What up, what up? Back outside, 12 o'clock. And I can't really describe it. Since we're in January and we're not in December anymore and it's not like dark all the time, like I legitimate feel it every day. To me, like those shitty trees, they're like in 4K. They used to be in like 360p and now they're in 4K. Like, look at this. Oh, nice. And I don't know why the birds, they're not really scared. Like, you see the bird? I zoom in. I love birds. You see the bird there? Oh, now he flew away. He just let me come here. And it didn't really bother him at all. Like, I love watching birds. Oh, he came back. There we are. He's not so sure about me yet. We wait again. See? Oh, beautiful. I'm just 3 meters away and I'm still talking. And the bird doesn't care. Lovely. I like birds. Birds, baby. I actually wonder if that's the thing what people do. Watch birds. Like, I love watching birds. Could do it all day. That's the shelter now. I might sleep in there again once we have more snow and it's covered. I just left the sleeping bag in there for now. And one thing I'm quite proud of, no, not proud, happy about, proud is the wrong word. My neighbor over there is a bro. We can actually walk there. That's why I changed my channel name. I was like, if my name is like the village, basically everyone here, oh, the snow is deep. Everyone here can actually find my channel. So here is no window, which means I'm left alone, and that's good. Look at those trees. Like, the light is so different now. It's beautiful. Fuck yeah. Yeah, baby. More birds, baby. And I screwed up on the drone. Like, I bought a new charger to charge the drone on 100 watt. Turned out it's still charging only on 30. So, cool. It's pretty much useless. I'd rather use the Mac charger to charge it that has 65, I believe, or 80. But the thing is, at the moment, only one battery charges and not 3 at the same time. So it takes basically 4 hours. And I don't want to run the Jenny 4 hours. And I'll show you over here. I was a bro to the birds as well. So I got them some unsalted nuts, sunflower seeds, carrots. I don't know if they like carrots, to be honest. I don't really think so. And my feet are here. But there's no feet on the ground, so they didn't show up. Look at this. There must have been a squirrel going wild. Hungry squirrels. I like it. I want to have the most animals of anyone in my yard. Unfortunately, one squirrel will not be enough. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it's beautiful. I have to make you light, baby. Light, light, baby. Oh, I'm in good mood. Very good mood. 3,200. 4,000. So, I explained before. I want to... all that shit in here. I have no idea where to put it. So I want to put wood, like ceiling from there to that one. Vertical, no, horizontal, like from here to there. And over here, I just keep the same angle as the roof. And I suppose I do maybe 9 centimeters of insulation. Like I said, the insulation doesn't matter, as there's lots of snow on the roof. And the snow is pretty much insulation as well. Oh, and I have to do the chinking at some stage. That's a big job. So I parked the Lada in the garage. Here you can see me struggling to back up, and the thing was, the differential is broken in the front, so I only got rear drive, and the left tire was spinning. Unfortunate, you can't see it on the camera, as the right tire just doesn't spin. And it was quite difficult to match up perfectly with the trailer, as if I didn't go full power, I was getting stuck. And yeah, you guess it. Like, how the fuck am I supposed to back up on that shitty ass trailer? Four cement bags a day keeps the doctor away. I made it, finally free, just the road, me, the Lada, 82 horsepower and a roaring engine, and nothing that will ever stop me. Nothing will stop me on a sunny day. I have the generator in here and I drilled a hole through the wall so I can charge over here. The problem is... it's pretty dark. I can... fix it, but nah. Can I fix it? That's a bit more daylight. So the thing is, I don't have space now here to work. But I don't want to leave the car outside when it snows either. We have to go up here as well again. I found the tent up here. And like I said, it's all insulated by sawdust. So I have to put more sawdust into the walls. Because where I worked on the walls before, I took all the sawdust out. And it didn't vibrate through all the way. And I need those 2 wooden boards, and I want to screw them on into the cabin. That one sitting up here. Actually could do it so, eh? That's the go. I need my level. Going back inside. It's actually funny. So those gloves, like I said, they're from 1992. So they're 20, I don't know, whatever, I'm dumb, years old. And I found this saw when I bought the place, was just in a garage somewhere. So I still use it, even though it's broken here and here. But I use it. And the thing is, I don't want to run the generator for a minute just to make like one cut. Then it takes me forever till I have to saw again. And I'm not going over and turn it off on again. So I just cut all the stuff by hand pretty much. And that one broke. I didn't like it anyways, it was cheap. There you go. it's already too cold again. It's -11. So I get cold fingers. And I pretty much need a headlight soon as well. And a new level as I dropped it the last 5 times in 2 minutes. Wind. Now we can level here. Oh, it's so cold. To go lower quite a bit. I don't want to go lower. Fucking dumb boy. I dropped a bit. I found it. Nice. Oh, it's too cold. All the stuff I have to touch is metal. I don't want to go lower, but I have to. So I go a bit lower. If I do that, it would look stupid. I should still go lower or higher there. It doesn't really matter if it's a bit off, like the whole curtain is not straight. And I'd rather have it looking good than being level. So I go back higher. A little bit. And then I go higher on the other side as well. So I hope they all fit the same length, but they probably don't. So I'm here tight, and over here I already got that much space, which means I basically have to measure them all by hand and cut them. I'm not a big friend of that. As I said, I have to run the Jenny then all the time, and I cannot just start it once, cut 20 pieces and turn it back off. I guess let's send it. Send it. Yay. And I need more space. Like I want to have a clean garage. So I put all the shit in the garage, it's not clean. If I put all the shit from the garage in here, this is messy and I can't work. So somehow I need more space. Much more space. I need a workshop, but I don't think that will ever happen. And if you miss a bit holder, your mouth is a pretty good tool. So if you swap the bits, you just chuck them in your mouth and you're good to go. And they're nice and warm as well when you use them. Oh, I already had changed it. Now I have to change it again. Screws out. Oh, I took the wrong bit. Oh. Cool, I have to go back to the house. Every time. Where's that motherfucker? Yeah, got the bit. So here we go. Baby. could sand that down, eh? Nah. I just put a little piece behind later. So once I made some ways, I'm gonna put a board in here, and I'm gonna stabilize the top, and then I probably will put a post underneath here at some stage. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I could put it in now. Actually, I should put it in now, I guess, but I don't really want to. Nah, I should put it in now, because afterwards I can't walk on it, as then the shitty boards just fall down. So I can't really make meters now. I have to do construction first. If I put them all down here, then I can't walk over to reach here to put a post in. So I should put in the post now and run a board all the way down there, I guess. I don't really have a choice, to be honest, so I have to do that now. Unfortunately. I'll show you guys what I did. I'm a bit too cold, so I just quit the work and I went inside and had a tea. So at this stage, we didn't get very far, to be honest. I cut those couple ones here. I put them in place. We got minus 17 degrees at the moment, and I'm not very keen to continue the work. I got maybe not a quarter, a fifth of the way done. And now we got another task. First of all, I put the saw inside, and then I have to fix me a new toilet. Well, that's easy. And then we wrap it up for the day. I'm gonna have some burgers, and that's about it. It's fucking cold. Got my new toilet here. I'm not sure if that works out, but I don't pee in here. I pee outside, and then all the poo stays in the bag. And once it gets spring, I'm gonna use it as fertilizer. Because if I don't put it in the bag, then I don't really have. Then I have to use a bucket. Like every time I have a full bucket, I have to get a new bucket, and I don't really want to do that. So I'll try that with the paper here. Might works, might not. It should do in the winter now, and for in the spring I get composable plastic bags. But that's the way we do it here, baby. So I got me a nice burger, and I have to put on the bun. That's how it looks like. Hey, get sharp. Looks pretty tasty. Actually, it is tasty. It's my third burger, and I got another one, and that's pretty much the day. So we got 6 o'clock now, and I'm heading off to bed pretty soon. So I'm not really busy. I don't have anything to do. And I would eat the burger now for the camera, but then I'll drop all the ingredients in there. All the corn will fall off. So I'll see you tomorrow, and have a good day.